Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Friday as we're starting the weekend and Bitcoin's maintaining price action above 46,600, which is the 200-day moving average. And this has acted as a major support level for Bitcoin. And you can see we're up 2% today. And so the bullish scenario of us getting to 49,700 and potentially breaking this resistance to potentially get back above the 20-week moving average at 53,000 is certainly on the table. Now, there is a downside area that I do want to point out here at 44,800 where we have confluence here with this market structural support. We could come down to 44,800 to test this level. And as long as we maintain this area here, this support level, we could potentially see Bitcoin break back above the weekly open, which is at 49,700 to come and test that 20-week moving average again. And so 44,800, I think, is more important than ever right now because it is a potential area that Bitcoin can test, but still be in a neutral consolidation that could potentially break out to the upside, especially knowing how traditional markets have already seen some strength, recovering some of their losses. And I don't think that if we were to come down to 41,950, that this level would hold. I want to make that clear. If we break this market structural support in the $44,800 level to come and test 41,950, I think the likelihood that we come down towards the $40,000 to $38,000 level becomes pretty high. But so far, since the bulls have maintained price action above that 200-day moving average at 46,600, Bitcoin has been showing the best case scenario so far. Coming to reject this zone, as I mentioned yesterday, is totally garden variety market behavior. It was a major level. This is the 20-week moving average. And so getting to 52 to 53,000 is a very big deal for Bitcoin. But the early signs of this happening is maintaining the 200-day moving average. And then, of course, if we come down to test 44,800, at least maintaining this level. And then from there, we can start assuming a test of 49,700. As long as we don't break 44,800, once again, that is the bullish scenario still intact. And notice how the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is starting to cool down here at 86,000 Satoshis, just as we talked about coming to retest this monthly open here. So the major support is 81,425 for the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. But if this does break, there is a likelihood we come and test this market structural support, which was previous resistance around that 75,000 Satoshi level. The Ethereum to US dollar price would potentially still range here between 36.50 and 43.73 level, just as long as Bitcoin is able to hold itself above 44,800. If we break 44,800, I think Ethereum does have the potential of breaking even below 34.54. So we really want to monitor Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin dominance has been on our radar because it's testing this major support level here at 40% dominance. Right now we are above the weekly open. We're going to continue to monitor this. I don't see anything decisive yet because we are still below these daily moving averages. Not much happening in traditional markets other than the fact that the S&P 500 is closing strong right near its previous weekly open and its previous all-time highs, maintaining this recovery. And so this is a very positive puzzle piece coming into the weekend for Bitcoin. As I mentioned yesterday, I think there's more bullish puzzle pieces than negative puzzle pieces. The only negative right now is the Bitcoin against gold chart being above the 20-week moving average. That's the only bearish puzzle piece I have on the table. But outside of that, the total market cap doing very well, maintaining this weekly candle at the 20-week moving average. We know that's a very good sign because staying at that 20-week is going to be very important. And it's way above the 200-day moving average, actually showing more strength than Bitcoin. So this is a very positive thing for the total market cap. It looks like we are potentially slowing down to see downside, and that the bulls are certainly on the table, especially with Bitcoin up right now 2%. There's certainly some buyers coming in at this level. We just need to see that institutional volume come in, and that's going to be that confirmation as we always look for on that 6-hour chart, as we always talk about here on the Snipers channel. And so I know this is a quick update, but it's Friday. We're heading into a weekend. There's going to be a lot of volatility, so expect the video coming here real soon on Saturday. And I appreciate each and every one of you snipers tuning into the channel. I couldn't do this without you. Remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can hit 100 likes on this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Snipers